Allergies are the body's hypersensitive reaction to substances that are normally harmless, such as pollen, certain foods, or pet dander. When an allergic individual comes into contact with these triggers, their immune system mistakenly identifies them as harmful invaders and releases chemicals like histamine, leading to symptoms like sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis. Allergies can vary widely in severity and can develop at any age, with some individuals experiencing seasonal allergies, while others have year-round sensitivities. Understanding allergies is crucial for managing symptoms effectively. This involves identifying specific allergens through testing and taking measures to avoid exposure. Treatment options may include over-the-counter or prescription medications like antihistamines, nasal sprays, or allergy shots, immunotherapy, to desensitize the immune system. Preventing and treating seasonal allergies involves a combination of lifestyle changes, avoidance measures, and medications. Here are some prevention tips. 1. Monitor pollen counts. Check local pollen forecasts and try to stay indoors when pollen counts are high. 2. Keep windows closed. Keep windows and doors closed during peak pollen season to prevent pollen from entering your home. 3. Use air conditioning. Use air conditioning in your home and car, and make sure to clean filters regularly. 4. Limit outdoor activities. Try to limit outdoor activities, particularly in the morning when pollen counts are usually higher. 5. Wear protective gear. When outdoors during high pollen seasons, wear sunglasses to protect your eyes and a hat to keep pollen out of your hair. 6. Shower and change clothes. After spending time outdoors, shower to remove pollen from your skin and hair and change into clean clothes. Treatment options for seasonal allergies include 1. Antihistamines. Over-the-counter antihistamines can help relieve itching, sneezing, and runny nose associated with allergies. Examples include cetirizine, Zyrtec, loratadine, Claritin, and fexofenadine, Allegra. 2. Nasal corticosteroids. Nasal corticosteroid sprays can help reduce inflammation in the nasal passages and relieve symptoms like congestion and sneezing. Examples include fluticasone, Flonase, triamcinolone, Nasacort, and mometasone, Nasonex. 3. Decongestants. Over-the-counter decongestants can help relieve nasal congestion by shrinking swollen nasal tissues. Examples include pseudoephedrine, Sudafed, and phenylephrine. 4. Allergy shots, immunotherapy. Allergy shots involve gradually exposing your body to allergens to desensitize your immune system. This can help reduce the severity of allergic reactions over time. 5. Neti pot or saline rinse. Using a saline solution to rinse your nasal passages can help remove allergens and mucus, providing relief from nasal congestion and irritation. 6. Eye drops. Over-the-counter eye drops can help relieve itching and redness associated with allergic conjunctivitis. Examples include ketotifen, Zaditor, and nafazoline, Nafcon. 7. Prescription medications. If over-the-counter medications are not effective, your doctor may prescribe stronger medications such as oral corticosteroids or prescription-strength antihistamines. 8. Natural remedies. Some people find relief from allergies using natural remedies such as butterbur, quercetin, or nasal irrigation with a saline solution. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before trying these remedies, as they may not be suitable for everyone and could interact with other medications. Regular consultation with healthcare professionals via telehealth platforms like MyHomeDoc can provide personalized guidance and treatment plans tailored to individual needs, ensuring better management and improved quality of life for allergy sufferers. I choose MyHomeDoc. 1. Texas-centric care. As a specialized telemedicine service for Texas residents, MyHomeDoc understands the unique health needs of the community. 2. Convenience at your fingertips. Access healthcare services from the comfort of your home, saving you time and stress. 3. Affordable and accessible. MyHomeDoc Telehealth offers cost-effective solutions without compromising on the quality of care. Visit MyHomeDoc Telehealth today and experience the future of healthcare, where expert care meets unmatched convenience. Your well-being is our priority because health shouldn't wait.